Well, hello folks, welcome to Airgun Adventures. As you can see guys, it's pretty snowy where I live. It's February 2018 and there is my Air Arms S410 .22 caliber. I'm going to be going out tonight doing a couple of things that we haven't featured on the channel yet, and one of them is night vision shooting and the other one is shooting rats. Now I'm going to be meeting up with a cousin of mine. His name is Lee. He's been shooting about a year with me now and is very good, and he'll be shooting a BSA R10 SE in 177 with his own night vision setup with it, and I'll be using my Air Arms S410 as you know, and I've got my own little setup on that, and that's a T20 IR with the infrared sensitive camera hooked to the back of the scope. Had quite a lot of success with it, you'll see it later on. So yeah, going to meet up with Lee about 9 o'clock tonight. The farmers give us a call and there's quite a few rats down there. We've already had a look anyway, so we know what to expect, so hopefully get a few for you guys. So I'll see you when we get down there. Right, so it's 9 o'clock then. I'm just about to go meet Lee now, go shoot some rats. I'm just driving down to the gate now where Lee should be waiting for me, hopefully. Hopefully we'll pick a few rats off tonight.
Turn around when possible.
Ignore me sat nav there. We've got an Irish guy trying to tell me I'm going the wrong way when I'm not. I can see Lee's lights now, so he's here. And it's a pretty scary place, so he won't go in there without me, so we both meet up here, and he'll go and unlock the gate now. He's probably scoping a rabbit in that field actually. So when you can see him there he is, look. He's obviously got something in his crosshairs. So there's Lee then, he's got his night vision screen on, I can see from here. You can't quite see it on the camera because it's dark. But we've got permission to shoot on the fields either side of this place where we're going. It's basically a barn full of barley really, and a few other little barns. And there's no end of rats down here. We've had a quick recce, and believe you me, they're quite big as well, so hopefully get a bit of footage for you guys. Just waiting for a thumbs up from Lee to see whether he gets his whatever he's got, and then we'll go unlock the gate and hopefully have a quick show you around with a torch hopefully, and then we'll get the night vision on. Well, he's just taken a shot, so he's coming to the car. You get it, cuz?
No, it's well far away, mate.
Is it?
Yeah.
Been here in the daytime a few times, got quite a few rabbits on the field either side of this track. And Lee's just going to unlock the gate now. Well, I'm using my Air Arms S410 as you know, and Lee's got with him tonight a BSA R10 SE in a black pepper stock. It's in 177 caliber, and it's got his own night vision kit on the top of that. So we'll take a drive down now, guys, to There's usually 2 horses in these fields either side, so we've got some horses to shoot near, but because our rifles are so quiet, we can shoot right next to him all night long, and we've made pretty good friends with them, to be honest. And we have to stop now and lock the gate again behind us. Lee'll do the honours, bless him, because he knows I'm filming. It's about 9:15 at the minute, February 2018. It's only a short drive now down to the barns with the barley and stuff in. A few potholes, guys, so you'll have to excuse the bouncing. That's if you can see much anyway. It's not a night vision camera, this one, but I'll be putting the night vision camera on soon onto the rifle. This is just my daytime cam. And what Lee'll do, he'll find his little position he usually goes in, and I'll park the car so we're facing the barns, and we could sort of shoot off my car roof on a beanbag sort of style. Put a bit of bait down sometimes. I don't know if that's what we're doing tonight, if Lee's got any. So Lee's parking over there, look, and I'll just do a little there's the barn door, guys, that they all come under. That's one of the most prolific spots. I'll show you a bit better. Do you know what? I didn't even see that, cuz. No, it was just a fluke that I've stopped there in timeline.
I thought you would. I was watching. I was thinking, oh,
No, I'm going to. Shall
walk over here, cuz, because I'm going to block off that green door.
Yeah, all right, mate. So you can't see much, folks, but we're shooting along here. We'll show you more in the night vision cam. There's Lee with his BSAR 10 SE 177 with his night vision on. He's just having a scan round now for some rats. See if I can get up to his screen and film his screen. Have to excuse the camera. It's on night mode in the pitch black. He's aiming over there to that silver door. There's my rifle on its beanbag with its IR on the top. And as I said, there's some horses which sit here good as gold. They're about 5 metres behind us. Hello, boys. that sack though.
Yeah.
You could do a Texas spine shot like that when I wound him, cause he's going to come out the other side. Keep your eye on the other side of that bag, cause I'll keep my eye on the left side.
Yeah.
Oh, right side of the bag. There he is, going across that door, look. You see him?
Yeah.
Wait for him to stop.
Good shot, cuz.
Cheers, mate.
That was a good shot. Stop perfect, didn't it? Good shot. Good shot, cuz. Good shot, mate. Spine him.
Oh, there he is.
Is he?
Yeah. Oh. Done that many a times.
That was a good shot, cuz. That was a sweeter. You got one there?
Nailed.
Good shot, cuz. What's that burning smell, cuz? Big fumes.
You see him kicking, look?
Well done, cuzzy. Oh, mate.
Let me cross it.
Good night.
You see him, look?
Yeah, 'cause I'm kicking. Stone dead, mate, that was.
Polymag to the head.
That was a perfect shot, cuz.
I know, I've got it recorded, cuz.
I have, but I aimed it there, look. Look, see
Yeah.
the head above it?
Yeah. Is that a head there?
Yeah, that's the head, cuz. See it?
Is his eye?
Yeah. So I have him.
I'm on him.
Go on then, cuz, you're on.
That was a definite kill, because that was a polymag straight through the Swede. Well done, mate, for not doing that.
Let's run it.
You see one, Lee?
Yeah, just one just over near the rubble over there. Got him. There's a few about.
See Lee's IR scanning round there. That's just mine stationary to the left. So it's totally pitch black apart from the IRs, guys. What's your night vision, Lee?
Night Vision UK.
He's got a bit of a Night Vision UK set up there.
Yeah, they do a few different items to be honest. You can get a box one or a tube one. I went for the tube one.
Very effective.
Spot on, yeah.
I
Brilliant.
just use a handy cam with night mode on it and an IR T20. I can see about 50 metres with mine. Does the job just right. There's two there, cuz.
Is there?
One to the right, to the left of the one you can see. It was to the left in that gap of the left of the bucket. You know, the bucket that's lent on its side between the fridge and that other thing.
Yeah.
It's in that dark gap there. Can you see him, cuz? You would never have seen him in a million years, mate.
See him now. Good shot though.
Because if you looked at this, you... Got him, cuz. There's another one. In amongst that rubbish near the silver door.
Yeah, it's a big cup, cuz. Yeah, steady as you stand, son. Good shot.
There he is. Coming out. Tracking him behind the right of the white bag. There he is, in front of the white bag. Tyres.
Yeah, I see him.
First stage we're down then, cuz he.
Just had a drink, didn't he, out that?
I'm back in that fucking hole again. Yeah.
Well done, mate. Yeah, this bag.
Yeah. Cheers, God. That's helicopter tail if I've ever seen one, Lee. Isn't it? It's done, right? Come on, you cunt.
Shit, I've got to take his arm. He's gone.
He's just not sitting still though, is he? Bugger. Alright. He'll come out, won't he, that one? Alright, under the door, there he is. Oh, big one coming out the door. Come on, Barry.
Right hand side or left?
There.
On the outside, itself.
Yeah, I can see, mate. I was totally... You just said right at the start. Oh, it's gone down. Oh, it's coming out. Oh, for fuck's sake, man.
There's one on the door. He's back towards the tires, cuz. Stay down. It's cuz he doesn't like the door. He's just got an idiot run under the house. So I can see the light bulbs.
What is it? Oh, I've got him, mate.
Oh, you're looking at a different one.
Yeah. Oh, you little... Oh, yeah, there he is. Oh, that was sweet. See him helicoptering behind the brick. See him on my screen. Right, about a bit hold over for that for me, Barry. Oh, my fucking back just gonna die, cuz. You've got to be careful when you come ratting, because you never know what eyes are glowing through the undergrowth.
Yeah, where you go right a bit. There's his back, look, there's that thing. That brick. Where's it? You got him. Stay where you are, he'll come back up over there. There, look, there he is.
Yeah, I can see him.
Yeah. He was sat right on that tyre, proud as punch, man.
Oh, he's going left, he's going left. You see him? He's coming up to that back.
Quite a good size one. There's one, cause green door, and then come behind in the bushes. Jumping on. There you are, man, see his eyes. Got him.
Oh yeah, I can see him.
Got him, good.
Yeah.
Good shot. Dead, I can see him in the grass.
Dead.
Because dead. Where is it?
Just there, mate.
Got him.
Yeah. Dead as a...
Because shall I shoot him? Yeah, you got him. Good shot, mate.
There's one.
Where?
That one.
Where is it, cousin? Sounds promising as well.
Mate.
He's still there, cousin. Look at him.
Because I'm following him, yeah.
Oh, so I didn't see him still. I thought he was more something. That got him.
So there we go then, folks. As you see, plenty of rats down there, like I said. It does get a little bit exciting down there, a little bit of swearing, a little bit of frustration sometimes. You rat shooters will know what we're on about. But as you see in the footage, I hope it came through that I take headshots on rats and kill them very quickly. The distance we're shooting them at is about 20 metres to 35 metres, but the majority around 25 metre mark. And the farmer's extremely happy with how many rats we got, and we'll be definitely going down there again. The pellets I was using are the Air Arms Hunter pellets in 22 calibre, obviously, and Predator Polymag short pellets in 22. And Lee was launching the, I think it was Day State Range Master Sovereigns 8.4 grains. Me and Lee are going to be doing a lot more of this together on the channel. Let us know in the comments section below. Me and Lee would really like to hear from you. And until next time, guys, when we go out again, take care of yourselves. Cheers. Right, a quick run through of what I was using then, folks. On the front of the gun there is a Q-Tech silencer made by Air Arms. Extremely quiet, just a bit of neoprene camouflage cover on there. On the top of the scope there's a T20IR infrared. The scope is an MTC Mamba 4-16, and the camcorder on the back is an infrared Bell & Howell camera from America. I bought it. And obviously the 410 rifle classic in 2.2. Cheers, folks.
Shh! Be very quiet. I'm hunting rabbits.